Now I'm going to go over the operation of the Applied Adhesives 403Z manual applicator. The tools you'll need to adjust this are, they should come with your machine, a small Allen key, any piece of 1/4-inch tubing, and a small flathead screwdriver. When I run this, I want to check always that I've got the A component and the B component flowing smoothly out of the end of the gun. That's check number 1. So I pull the trigger all the way on, and I'm going to look and observe the A component and the B component flowing smoothly. When I let go of the trigger all the way, they should come to a complete stop. Now we're going to check the timing of the gun. So to check the timing, wipe the tip of the gun off, and I'm going to observe that. I'm going to pull the trigger very slowly and observe the A side and the B side and see if they flow out at the same time. When I pull the trigger very slowly, it looks like they flow at the same time, and I'm adjusting the lead and the lag. So when I pull that trigger, they both exit the gun at the same time. Let's just mock it up as if there is a problem with the gun timing. So to adjust the gun, you use your Allen key into the side and you loosen the set screw just a turn or so. And then I'm going to use my guide sleeve in the back of the applicator just to guide my screwdriver to that stem. And I can use this screwdriver and I can feel to where the stem is. So I'm going to bring this gun out of adjustment, show you what that looks like, and then we'll bring it back into adjustment. Whenever you make a gun adjustment, you have to have the trigger pulled so that you don't have any metal to metal contact as you turn and adjust this applicator. And pull the trigger and bring it out of adjustment. Now I'm going to check the flow again and see which one comes first. So I'm only getting the A component without the presence of the B component. So what that means is that this cam is touching my plate before this cam touches the plate on the low volume side. So what I need to do is bring this plate forward so that it touches at the same time as this. And to bring that plate forward, I'm going to back this stem in the counterclockwise direction. So using my guide sleeve, I can find the flat head of that stem, and then I pull my trigger, make a small adjustment, and then we'll check the gun. I'll only turn it about 1/4 of a turn, and then I'm going to check my flow again. Release the trigger, wipe the end, and now I'm going to pull slowly again to check my timing. With that small adjustment, I was able to bring it back into the lead and the lag of the chemical flowing at the same time out of the tip of the gun. So now that I have that adjusted correctly, I can grab my Allen key again, and I can lock the set screw in on the catalyst side.